Okay, so now that the silicone molds have hardened or finished curing, I'm ready to take them out and use them to make my miniature molds. So let's start by when you're getting these apart, you have to take the sides off first. So I'm going to go ahead and just, now that I have this side exposed, I'm just going to gently pull the mold off of those little wooden bricks. You have to be gentle because you can tear your mold if you're not careful. So just take your time, go slowly. And some of the mold may have, oh, I have to re-glue one of my little brick mold. My little bricks came up with the mold that time. Okay, so pulling this off, I can see where there's just some of this little silicone that got under the edge of the brick. So that's easy to fix. You just take your blade and clean up these edges, get rid of that little bit of excess that ended up on there. Need to re-glue one of my little bricks down. But you can see here how it should look, and it will look once I clean these up. You'll have these perfect little brick molds, and you can fill them with cement and make some beautiful. Okay, so my cinder blocks actually turned out really great this time. I did a great job getting all the bubbles out, so I don't have to worry about all those pits. If you'll remember in my other video, getting the bubbles out is so important. So I have a great mold now for my cinder blocks. I have to clean up a couple of edges, but as you can see, some really perfect looking cinder block molds here. So my favorite mold that I made was from these buttons that I found at a thrift store. I took one look at these and realized they would make beautiful garden pavers, and so here's the mold. The mold turned out great. I'm ready to put some cement in here and create some really great pavers for my garden. So